Have you ever been hurt by someone and secretly wished karma would hurry up? The truth is, karma doesn't work on your schedule, but there is something powerful you can do that often makes karma work faster, and it has nothing to do with revenge. Here's how. 1. Stop chasing revenge. The moment you become obsessed with getting even, you stay emotionally connected to the person who hurt you. They continue living rent-free in your mind. Karma begins when you stop feeding that connection and start focusing on yourself. 2. Become impossible to break. Nothing frustrates toxic people more than seeing the person they tried to hurt become stronger, happier, and more successful. Your growth becomes a mirror that reflects their actions back at them. 3. Let the truth reveal itself naturally. Many people spend months exposing those who wronged them, but lies require constant maintenance, while truth requires nothing. Over time, people's real character almost always becomes visible. 4. Don't interrupt their consequences. Sometimes we rescue, forgive too quickly, or keep giving chances to people who repeatedly hurt us. When you set boundaries, you allow people to experience the results of their own choices. 5. Turn pain into power. Use the betrayal as fuel. Learn new skills, improve your health, build your confidence, and create a better life. The greatest karma isn't watching them fall. It's realizing they no longer have power over you. And finally, remember this. Karma is not about punishment. It's about consequences. People eventually become trapped by their own habits, attitudes, and decisions. The person who spreads negativity often ends up surrounded by it. The person who destroys trust eventually struggles to find it. So if someone hurts you, don't waste your energy waiting for karma. Become better, become stronger, become happier. Because sometimes the fastest way for karma to catch up with them is for you to move so far forward that they can no longer reach you. Subscribe for more psychology and self-improvement insights.